funded and focused feature. It is a great feeling when you get awarded the funding from a government contract. There was at least 26 individual steps you took to win the award. However, now the real work begins. Once awarded, contracts must be actively managed. It is critical that businesses develop a system to track contract deadlines, contract deliverables, and contract compliance milestones using simple tools that reduce risk and improve performance. As an example, our client Trevon, who operates a solar equipment installation business, once lost track of milestones. Professional online dashboards with calendar alerts kept delivery on time and compliant.